Good morning children, welcome back to the English class. Today we discuss about the new lesson of grammar, the use of V3. Here in this V3 lesson we discuss about the past participle means completed action of the verbs. Here we use V3 with has or have for an action that began in the past and now is finished. So in this V3 lesson we use the verbs, helping verbs with as and have form of verbs, helping verbs with the action verbs began already in the past and then now the action is finished. See here, we don't look at the time of the action, only we look at the result. Okay children, when we are going to use the V3 form of the verbs, we don't look at the time of the action, only we look at the result. The sun has risen. So the sun has risen. So the sun began to rise in the past. So the action is now full completed. We have seen this film. So after seeing the film, they are told we have seen this film. And then mother has cooked food. So mother already cooked the food. Children are saying my mother has cooked the food. The action was completed. They have reached home. For negative, we use not, between, has, have and V3. So here in these sentences they shows negative sentences. The sun has not risen. So they used word not between the has or have and V3. So risen is a word of V3 is a verb, and then listen here, we have not seen this film. And then she saw seen, like this, mother has not cooked food. They have not reached home. So like this, in between the have form or in between the V3 form of verb, we use the not. For actions, we use has or have before the subject. For actions means have or has plus subject plus V3 plus verbs. Here has the sun risen. So here they, for making a question, they asked has the sun risen. They use has here. And then have we seen this film? Have we seen this film? So for plural we used have. And then has mother cooked food? Has mother cooked food? So here the subject or noun is mother, he, she or it, we used has. And then here again they is there. So in the usage of they also we used have. Have they reached home? Last question mark. So like this we used has or have form. For negative questions we can use not after has, have or before V3. So in this sentence they show has negative sentences. By making negative sentences we use after, not after has or have, or before V3. Here has the sun not risen. Has the sun not risen. So they used after the not word, after the has or have form or before the V3 form of verbs. And then we not only use after the and not, but before we can able to use. Here has not the sun risen. Has not the sun risen. In this form also we can write this, hasn't the sun risen. Next, have we not seen this film? And then have not we seen this film. Like this we are able to write. And then haven't we seen this film. So see here, has not, hasn't is a short form. For have not, haven't is a short form. And then exercises in the page number 87. Fill in the blanks with the V3 form of the given verbs with has or have. So here first one they already give the sun has risen. The sun has risen. And then here I have made a mistake. I have made a mistake. For make we are going to write made. And then we have done our duty means the action was already completed, so we use done. And then you have read this book, you have read this book. Next, she has found her purse, she has found her purse. For find we used found. And then here they give sell, he has sold his old car means he already sold his old car, the action is completed. They have spoke the truth, for speak spoke. The lion has catched the mouse. Your brother have gone to Delhi. The teacher has taught this lesson, for teach taught. So we used past tense form of the verb with the help of has and have. So this is a day of your lesson, children. You complete this classwork into your book and then watch the video. Thank you, children.